News off the top tonight at 10 as a tree falls on a home in North Memphis. Good evening and thank you for joining us. I'm Stephanie Skurlock.
And I'm Greg Hurst. This all happening just a short time ago along North Parkway. Our Brian Didlake is there. And Brian, what do you know? What can you tell us?
Well, Greg, Stephanie, we just spoke with the homeowner of this tree that's right here behind me, who tells me that this happened around 9:04 to be exact, when that tree fell across his yard and hitting his neighbors. I'm gonna get out the way so you can see what we're looking at right now. As you can see behind me, that this tree is completely uprooted, again, due to these high winds that we have been experiencing all day across the Memphis region. In fact, that this is not the only home within the Memphis area that has a tree down. Just further down East Parkway, another tree is down, but that one is towards the middle of the road. But coming back to this one, we were told that a woman who lives next door, she did have to go to the hospital after being extricated from this home that's right beside where this tree fell down. We did know also that that woman is, again, had to be taken to the ambulance to the nearby hospital. The homeowner here also tells us that underneath all these branches and leaves and debris is one of their vehicles, which may in fact be totaled, according to this homeowner that we spoke to, again, off camera right before we came here online. But again, this is just some of the effects that we're seeing from these high winds that we've been experiencing here today in the Memphis area. But of course, we're going to follow up on all the information that we were just been talking about throughout this live hit, and we'll get back to you later on in the morning on daybreak on the news at 3, and we'll get back to you then at that time with more information. But for now, we are live here in North Memphis. Brian Didlake for your news leader, WREG Channel 3.
All right, thank you, Brian. As Brian just said, a number of trees down in the area because of the winds. And here's another problem, a result of those winds. Power is being restored to thousands across the Mid-South tonight after strong winds brought down trees and power lines. And at one point, more than 10,000 customers were without electricity in Shelby County alone. Hundreds also lost power in North Mississippi and in eastern Arkansas.
Yeah, the wind is also causing some traffic problems in South Memphis tonight. In fact, this is a live look at South Parkway near Willett Street. A tree falling over, blocking all of the eastbound lanes of South Parkway. And since we've been there, we've seen a number of frustrated drivers trying to make their way around that roadblock. Now, Tyler, you know, the winds were also so strong.